Hey guys, so today we're going to be doing the final slide for our series on circles, and this one is completely optional. But if you want to try this one out, I would love for you to try and show me what you created. At this point, you should have your title page. You should have parts of a circle, finding the radius, finding the diameter, finding the circumference, and then now we're going to add a slide for finding the area. And in keeping with our theme of making sure that our presentations look professional and consistent, I am going to do the easiest thing possible, which is use what I already have. So I am going to copy this slide or duplicate it by right-clicking and hitting duplicate. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to just start changing what I have here to fit what I need. So in this case, in my title, I am finding the area. And in my question, I'm going to say that the radius of the circle is 2 inches. What is the circle's area? So I know that my radius is going to be 2 inches. So I'm going to change that here on my diagram. Okay, I'm only going to need one of these text boxes to show my work. I'm just going to spread this out a little bit. And then I'm actually not going to use any of these equations that I have here. Finding the area is going to be something different. And all I did was simply do a Google search, said finding the area of a circle, and I got the equation. So my equation is going to be the area is equal to pi times r to the second power. Now, if I just type a 2, it doesn't give me the exponent. So there's 2 ways to do this. We can highlight it, and we can go up to format where it says text, and then we're looking for the superscript. Super means up. Subscript would mean down. So think about subtitles on TV. Subtitles are at the bottom. The superscript is going to be on the top. So this is the small number on top. And if you notice here, it also shows you the shortcuts. So I'm using an Apple computer right now. So mine says command period. Yours would simply be control period. So this is one way, and I'll show you how to do it the other way later on. Okay, so area equals pi times radius squared. So I am not going to need these. I'm going to delete them. And I'm just going to adjust my text box. Because since I only have this one equation, I'm just going to center it. So again, the crosses mean you can move, and using those red lines, I'm going to use that to center it. Okay, and now let's do some math. So I know that the area is equal to pi. So let me copy this right now. So I need it to be 30. And I changed my font to be this nice blue color and take away the highlighting. Okay, so pi times the radius squared. Now remember, I can either go to format, text, and then superscript, or I can simply use this shortcut, which is what I'm going to do. So for you guys, it's going to be control period. See how my cursor, that line now is up here? So squared. And then you have to remember to get rid of it. So again, control period, and it goes back to normal. So area is equal to, we know that pi is 3.14 times the radius here is 2. And then we're going to use that superscript again, that shortcut, control period, squared. So for following PEMDAS, parentheses go first. So 2 to the second power is going to be 4. And then here we have area is equal to, and again, you can simply go to your Omnibox and type 3.14 times 4, and it gives me the answer right here, 12.56. Great. So now all I need to do is change my text in my final answer. So instead of the circumference, the area of the circle with a radius of 2 inches is 12.56 inches. And then here's the trick, because we're talking about area, your final answer is going to have the exponent. It's going to be to the second power. So this is going to be 12.56 inches, square inches. Okay, so again, control period for the superscript. Squared. All right, and that didn't change color, so let's just fix that. And there you go. And so now you have everything that you needed, and it goes much faster once you have a template available for you. So again, I look forward to seeing what you create. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at any time via email, Google Chat, or in our Google Meets. And I look forward to seeing what you create.